Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gaurav. Welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, we have here the Realme Buds Classic. These are the newest edition of the Buds series in Realme earphones. These are not like the buds that were wireless and were like Apple AirPods. These are the wired classic buds that are available from Realme. In this video, we are going to be reviewing how the packaging is and how the product is turning out, and the quality of audio is what is very important. Since these are very affordable, I'm going to be letting you know in the end if you should buy it or not. So if you're new on this channel, please make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is the Realme Buds Classic in the box. As you can see, this is a very simple and minimalistic packaging. The Realme Buds Classic is written in the front. It has Realme on both the sides, and as you can see in the back, it says it has a 14.2mm large driver, a deeper and richer bass. It can answer and end calls, which means that it has a microphone embedded and it has a built-in cable organizer. So now, without any further ado, let's start unboxing this. So this comes out just like this, and this is the Buds Classic. And as mentioned, this is the cable organizer, which they have told that it's going to be coming inbuilt. And these are the earbuds. Since these are the earphones, there's nothing that's going to be coming in the box, so it's just a simple and minimalistic packaging. Now let's come into the earbuds, and as you can see, it is an inbuilt and it's in the wire as well. So this is the cable organizer, and they have already mentioned that this is going to be a tangle free earbuds, but while unboxing I see a little bit of tangle. So as you can see, these are the buds, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but here is the earpiece outlet, and here is a small earbud as well. And the microphone is like this. It has pause and play, no volume up and down. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, yeah. So as you can see over here, this is the pause and play button. There's no volume up and down, and it has a Realme logo on this. As you can see, these are the Realme Buds Classic, and they actually look very classy, to be honest. And at first I thought that these are going to be like the Realme Buds, which were completely like the AirPods, but no, they're completely different. And as promised, Realme has provided a organizer kit which keeps it very safe and very untangled whenever you're going around. If you want to travel, this is going to be very handy. And it comes with a 3.5mm jack, which is not found in a lot of phones these days. And over here there's a Realme branding on the mic. It has a one button, it doesn't have volume rockers. So guys, I've tried these earbuds now, and as you can see, I'm actually using the mic of these earbud classics to see how this is going to be turning out. I'm not sure how this is going to be turning out, but I'm just going to be posting it on the YouTube and see the quality of audio. And if you can see, the feel and the finish is really good. It's very lightweight, and it's not even existential. If the wires were not touching your face, you wouldn't even care that they were there. But other than that, I've made some calls, and the audio quality was really good. I've listened to music, but there's one issue with the music, is when you're listening in the high volumes, there is no issue. It's really rich, the quality is very crisp and really nice. But when you're in your low volumes, there are some audio that is being missed, which means that since it is low volume, you're not going to hear to the instruments that are very low volume in the actual song. So that is one issue. I've listened to Bad Karma and other songs, and it turned out really good whenever listening to the high volumes, but in low volumes it was not that pretty much good. So other than that, guys, Realme has given a built-in cable organizer, which is kind of handy, to be honest. I've used it for half an hour. I haven't taken it out, but turns out that will be very useful. Now let's talk about the packaging or the quality of the audio. Packaging was really basic. As you know, Realme is basic packaging, and it is only about performance. I would give it a 4.5 star when you're listening to this music in high volumes or in medium volumes. But when you're listening to low volumes, I would give it a 3 star, because in low volumes there were some issues. I couldn't hear some low instruments. I was very low music sound as well. So I would give it a 3 star. I bought these Realme Buds Classic for 399 rupees on Amazon, and is it actually worth it? I would say that these are worth it. Because this is very affordable, to be honest. And if you are if you don't have a Bluetooth earbuds and you want to buy earphones that are wired, this is really good. The quality and the finish and the feel is really good. It's not like sticking into your ear and making your ear feel a little bit of pain, but there's no issues like that. It's comfortable, it's sitting comfortable. And as you can see, if I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's the audio hole. Wait a second. Yeah, this is where the audio comes out of, over here. And there's this is black. So yeah, this part is where the audio comes out. And yeah, so that this is very comfortable, to be honest. It doesn't feel like it's poking your ear. So what is my final verdict about these Realme Buds Classic? So should you consider it? Should you avoid it? Should you go right ahead and buy it, or should you shortlist it? If you are in a budget and if you want to buy earphones that are very good and very long lasting, because these wire is very good, its quality is very good, it has a finish over it which makes it feel like it is very expensive wiring. But yeah, it is just a texture over here which is really nice, which gives it a really nice touch. And if you are looking to buy for it, without any doubt I would just ask you to buy these, because these are just 399. It's not a big amount. And the quality of the audio is really good when you are listening to about medium and high volumes. If you are a person who listens to low volume songs, I would not recommend these, because these are bass, but as it's already mentioned, deeper and richer bass. This is where the earbuds thrive. And if you are looking for it, just go buy it. It's not going to be a big issue, because these are priced at around 399. I'm not sure how the quality of the audio is going to be turning out, because I have not listened to it yet. I'm just going to be posting it. So if there's any issue, that's because the mic is not that good. But I've made some calls, so the mic turned out really good. So that's the only reason I believed and put them on. And so this was all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this. If you did, do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.